dance is a way for us to say thank you.
We love you, Mom! Yeah!
Dancing the cha-cha-cha, the Mwano family.
You hear about this guy named Lumumba. A lot of people talk about this dude. Lumumba, well, he was one of the founding fathers of the Democratic Republic of Congo who fought for independence. First step, as a group. So hopefully they feel connected enough to you to feel comfortable to give you genuine feedback. So they're giving you feedback. Someone say, oh, well, did it? Do you really need that dollar?
No.
I do.
Stay with me. So,
well, some, either depending on the host country where the camp is, they might create more of an integration system where they allow them to work and earn money.
Inclusivity and diversity. I believe that in order to lead, you have to actually lead yourself first.
Right out. Listen, it's not just about how well you do the dance, it's about your personality, okay? I want to see you like have fun, all right? And I want to see your swag.
Able to be open and truly connect to the piece and allowing that inner drive and the Steph is struggling with all these different types of emotion that's literally attacking her. And in real life, that happens every day, right? Our emotion sometimes takes over and our action becomes external. Up, down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The majority of the folks that live in the US have no clue. The last major war was a civil war in the United States in terms of people actually experiencing what war is.
Is why am I feeling defensive? That's always a good checkpoint. And half of the time, it's usually because of my emotions. I'm trying to protect something.
When we got to school, we felt like we started finding our grounding. In our ESOL classes, we had other students that came from all over the world as well. As time progressed, we adapted very quick. But for my mother, it was still a challenge for her because she had to stop going to English school and find a job.
Yeah. I'm gonna do this. Yeah.